excited to be working with your child in AP Biology this year. My name is Casey Strezak. I'm going to be the main teacher, and then we also have an apprentice teacher, Rebecca Kay, working with us this year. A little bit of my background. So I've been teaching biology for 7 years. I have a background in the natural sciences from a Great Books program, if you're familiar with that. And then I love being able to build the science background along with other subjects. So history, English, finding those interdisciplinary connections between science and other subjects is something I love to do with students. And then a little bit of background with Miss Kay.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Kay. Like Miss Strezak said, I'm an apprentice teacher. I just graduated from CU with a degree in ecology and evolutionary biology. So I'm an apprentice teacher, so I will start teaching more in the spring. So until then, you can direct questions towards Ms. Strezak.
All right, so why biology? I love it. I love working with animals. I love figuring out how to make plants grow. These are all things I feel really passionate about. So I've worked at both an organic animal farm as well as an urban plant farm in the city. And so that is one way I find those connections to real life problems within biology. And then I've also been scuba diving since I was 13. So finding, new worlds underwater is something I love. I volunteered at the zoo in Chicago, where I have lived for the past 10 years. And so I just love teaching students about the connections that they can find with the world around them in new ways.
And then I have always loved science because it's been a great way to figure out answers to all of the questions that I had as a kid growing up and even now. And then it has always been a great excuse to get outside and explore.
And then what is AP Biology? So AP Biology is a college level introductory biology course. So we're basically teaching what students would expect for their first biology course in college, their junior, senior year of high school. And so they'll learn everything from microscopic cellular structures to complex ecological relationships. So finding why organisms act the way they do, how they interact together. And then they'll have a high level of support to help them pass the AP Biology exam. So getting a 4 or 5 on the AP Biology exam would potentially remove their need to take an introductory biology course in college. And so that's just one way to save time and money. What tech tools we're using? We're using Pear Deck primarily. So Pear Deck is this really cool, basically slideshow resource where students are able to write down their answers to problems, draw on the slides, do multiple choice questions, and it helps us see their progress in real time to respond to any misconceptions they have, any questions they have. So it's super important that they're completing those Pear Deck slides in order for us to know what we need to do to support them. And then we're also using Google Classroom, as are all other teachers. You'll see their assignments in Google Classroom, and you'll see their Pear Deck slides posted after class as well. So how can you support your child? Become a guardian on Google Classroom to see what assignments are due in class, what assignments might be missing for your child, and then what grades they got as well. So if that's something you're interested in, you can email me at caseystrezak@scienceandtech.org with the email you wish to monitor your students' work from. And then you can use the subject request guardianship for your student's name, and that lets me know to add you as a guardian. So that's all we have for you today. Please reach out if you have any questions at all. We're really excited to be working with your child this year. So far, we're off to a great start. Just continue to encourage them, continue to tell them to review and study because there's a lot of content in biology, and it'll be a great year. Thanks.